Alright guys, we just arrived in Hoi An, Gringo City. Lots of tourists here, lots of white people. It doesn't look much different than before COVID to me. Where do you want to go? Let's go to Fifo Coffee. I need a coffee on the rooftop. How's that sound? Hoi An is a city of tailors, custom clothing. There are over 4,000 tailors here. The streets are lined with shops just like this one. You can come get measured, pick your style, go back to Da Nang, come back the next day and they'll have your custom clothes ready for you. Also lots of leather goods everywhere you go. Our first stop is going to be Fifo Coffee. It's a famous coffee shop here with a rooftop with a great view. Okay, this is the Fifo Coffee. And this is the view it's famous for. You can just see the old city here. We've got our coconut coffee, but it's melting instantly because it's so hot here and there are no fans. Nice view, but terribly hot. Look, it's, it's melted.
Smell.
Yeah. So now you have the selfie experience of Fifo Coffee. What do you think about that? What? What? Alright guys, that was Fifo Coffee. The coffee's good, but it's more famous for the views and the Instagram clout. Next stop is my tea. I don't know what they do to this tea, but it's absolutely amazing. Alright, here we go. It's the famous tea. There was a plate of all the herbs and spices and stuff they put in there. There's lemongrass and lemon and some other, a lot of spices I don't know. So they put a lot of herbs and spices in it, and then they put this leaf on top, and that's a tea leaf and some kind of flower. I'm not sure what kind of flower it is. What do you think about it?
I like it. It just like, I need to find what is the taste in it.
It's different, isn't it?
It's something, I don't know what is it.
It's hard to describe, and it really tastes good. And the reason it's hard to describe for me is they are using ingredients I'm not familiar with. But it's very refreshing. Today's a hot day here in Vietnam, and this tea is refreshing and delicious.
Yeah, it's delicious.
I'm here with the gorgeous LB Smiles. Looking beautiful today.
Cheers!
Oh, that's what that stool is for taking pictures. Okay. In Vietnam, they call these sweet soups. Some of them are pretty good. There's no one here to sell us one at the moment. Sweet soups are made of jellies and beans. To me, they're more of a dessert, but they still call them sweet soups. I don't know the reasoning behind that. All right, so this is the river where you put the lanterns out. They have the lantern festival at night. During the daytime, you can also take tours on these boats, and they'll just take you up around the river 10 or 15, 20 minutes, and that's it. Big boat, take to the island, cheaper. And what's your name?
My name is Brian.
Yeah, Brian. And you?
How are you today?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm okay.
You're okay? What are you guys doing today?
I'm 9 years old.
Come to practice English, yes. Very good. I can understand your English very well. You go to school in Hoi An?
Con học ở trường Hội An à? No.
Da Nang?
No. From here to about 6 kilometers.
6 kilometers. Okay, are you the teacher? I'm from Texas in the USA. She is from the Philippines. Yeah.
Vietnamese.
Everybody thinks she's Vietnamese. They try to speak to her Vietnamese.
My student, she is Vietnamese.
No.
Yes, I'm a teacher, and on the weekend I test my students come here to practice English.
That's great, yeah.
Because students in Vietnam no environment to talk English. We just study grammar.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why on the weekend I usually test my students come here.
Very good. She is a certified English teacher.
Yeah.
Yeah. They speak a lot of English in the Philippines also, you know.
You ask teacher?
She's certified. She's not teaching right now, but yes. Maybe she wants to teach in Vietnam. So what grades do we have here?
I teach about 4 years old to worker.
Okay, all the way through. Okay, very good.
Maybe 50 students.
Small school?
No, I'm like elite club.
Okay, yeah.
How do you feel about the food in Vietnam?
I love Vietnam food. I love everything about Vietnam. It's my favorite country.
Thank you.
Yeah, I've been to more than 30 countries and Vietnam is my favorite.
How do you feel about the traffic in Vietnam?
The traffic?
Yes.
It's okay. It's not terrible. Yeah, I drive motorbike here, yeah.
Like seafoods. Seafoods here is very expensive, she said. But we'll try.
What's your job?
My job is yes. Like about solving mathematics.
Yes.
Yes. That's my job.
Behind you that's for fishing. They'll drop the net in the water, then that lantern's hanging on a string. No, this net. They drop that down in the water, and see there's a lantern there hanging on the string?
Yeah.
They'll leave the lantern up, and it attracts shrimp, and then later they pull the net up and catch all the shrimp.
Oh, so it means that it's a lot of
Yeah, some kind of, I guess so.
I can't see it.
Alright guys, this is the 20,000 Vietnam Dong bill. You see that bridge? There's the bridge on the back of the 20,000 Vietnam Dong bill. Another place for Instagram. So now, whoo, it smells Stinky Creek. Now we're just on the walking streets here in Hoi An. And once you get to this part, this is on the other side of the ancient Japanese bridge. Once you get over here, it's a lot more mellow, a lot fewer Instagrammers. You've got your tailors still. There's always tailors all over. There's artists here. Lots of food and drink. Really peaceful afternoon.
Thank you.
What do you find anything surprising here?
Yeah.
What's surprising to you?
It makes me surprised about the bag, shoes, how they made it.
Come on. Thank you. I have to take my cover off of my phone, but maybe you can use it on yours. So Elvie's happy with the deal. We need to get a ticket to see the temple. How do the tickets work?
Yeah, the first you get ticket, you can visit inside 5 monuments. You can choose any 5. It's around 60,000 per person.
Okay, it's good for one day or more than one day?
Any day.
So we come back tomorrow, is okay? Okay.
And including the ticket, you can see traditional music show at 10:50 a.m. and 3:50 p.m.
Okay. Tonight, will they do the lanterns on the river tonight?
Yes, many.
What time?
6:30 p.m.
6:30. All right, great. Okay, we need 2 tickets, please. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Oh, we have our tickets so we can see things. Oh yes, I need to take that. I'll remember. Thank you.
So what do you have left?
Let's see, we got our tickets. So these tickets are good to see 5 different sites, and they give you a bulletin here that shows you all the sites. And I'm not sure how many sites there are. They're probably 10, and you can use the tickets until you see 5. At 60,000 per ticket, So that's what, 5 sites? That's 12,500 per site. No, it's less than that. Anyway, whatever. I don't math today.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah. We found it. Thank you.
Yep.
We discovered the custom tailors.
Which better though? See the mix.
We were tired, we were hot. We had already filmed an outro in Hoi An and we're headed back to Da Nang when we ran across this. Lots of kites. And they're still setting up more. It's just in a rice field. They're harvesting rice and flying kites. What a beautiful way to end the video. Hello. Boy's really got that thing anchored down. It's tied into the concrete here. That's some thick kite string. And over here on the left, they're still working on the rice harvest. Rice harvest underneath the kites. Alright guys, with that, I think we'll call it a vlog. Catch you again soon. Take care.